Ready to unlock a whole new level of crypto convenience by connecting your Pixel wallet to Bybit. First, head over to the Bybit website and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, look for the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and give it a click. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll spot a Web3 option. This is your gateway to connecting your Pixel wallet, so go ahead and click on that. You'll now find yourself on the Bybit Web3 page. Keep an eye out for the Connect Wallet button, usually located prominently on the page. Click it. A list of available wallets will pop up. Scroll through the options until you find the Pixel wallet logo. Once you've located it, click on it. Your Pixel wallet will now prompt you with a connection request. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're happy to proceed, click the Connect button within the Pixel wallet window. And that's it. You should now see your Pixel wallet address displayed on the Bybit Web3 page, confirming a successful connection. You are now free to transfer funds, trade, and explore Bybit's features seamlessly through your Pixel wallet.